How to use Gamestop gift card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can use a Gamestop gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use your Gamestop gift card online, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Gamestop application and make sure that you're signed into your account. Now make sure to add the products that you want to buy to your cart, then tap the cart icon from the bottom right hand side. Then just go to the checkout page by tapping the checkout button, because you have to use a gift card during the checkout process. So here normally you have the payment option with credit card, but since we also want to use our gift card, we will select add gift card or promo code here. Now when we go to add gift card or promo code, enter the gift card number, PIN, and then tap on apply. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it will get successfully used to redeem and then buy this product that you can find here. This way you can use a Gamestop gift card online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.